What to do today? Why, it's our old friend Greeny Gator. And our new friend, Miss Marilyn.
Hey, Mr. Parker.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
I don't have anything to do today.
Did you want to practice?
Yeah.
What do you think, Greeny Gator? When is the musical? Bein Green, a tribute to Jim Henson, is Friday, February 22nd in Henson Auditorium at 8:30 a.m. Is it going to be good?
Uh-huh. It's gonna be really good.
You might even say it's going to be Muppetational.
Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Come and play, everything's A-okay. Friendly neighbors, yeah, that's where we'll meet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? 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 It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight.
Why do we always come here? I guess we'll never know. It's like a kind of torture to have to watch the show.
It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. And now let's get things started. Why don't we get things started? It's time to get things started on the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational, Muppetational. This is what we call the Muppet Show. It's not easy being green, having to spend each day the color of the leaves. When I think it might be nicer being red or yellow or gold or something much more colorful like that. It's not easy being green. Seems you blend in with so many ordinary things. And people tend to pass you over 'cause you're not standing on like sparkles on the water or stars in the sky.
But green's the color of spring, and green can be cool and friendly like, and green can be big like a mountain, or important like a river, or tall like a tree. When green is all there is to be, it's enough to make you wonder why. But why wonder? I'm green and it'll do fine. It's beautiful, and I think it's what I wanna be.